Hey guys, and welcome back to Coder Gautam. Today we're going to be doing some more JavaScript. Today we're going to be making a simple stopwatch program using JavaScript. We are going to use the setInterval method, which we've covered in the past video. So if you haven't watched that, please watch that so you know about the setInterval method. So I'm going to show you guys what my program will look. So I have it right here, and if you press start, there will be a countdown starting. It'll count up. So 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, like that. It will keep counting up every 1 second. So yeah. So without further ado, let's dive in. So let's first open up JavaScript and let's just get started with our HTML. So we need so let's do our basic tags like HTML, head, and then body, and then inside the body tag we can do our coding. So well, what do we need? We need a button, and we need some kind of place where we can put our text. So for the button, we can just create a button, and for the ID, let's just do like, I don't know, button. And then for the onClick, so the onClick is what to do when the button is clicked. So when the button is clicked, we want it to run, say, a JavaScript function. So to do that, we can do say like onClick stopwatch or whatever. It doesn't matter. So let's do that. And now let's put a button name, so like what the button says, and let's just make it say start. The next thing we have to do is add our place where we can display the text. So for that, let's create a paragraph, and we can put the ID to text. So now we can just leave this blank because we want to change this using JavaScript, and it doesn't really have to be anything right now. So next, we can code our JavaScript. So here in our JavaScript, well, we want to have this Stopwatch function we had mentioned previously in the onClick. So let us go ahead and create the function called Stopwatch. And inside here, we can do our code. But before that, we can declare a time variable while time equals 0. So this is the variable we'll auto-increment after the start button is pressed. So when this button is pressed, what we want to do is, well, we have to use the set interval. And if you watched our previous video, this will be a lot easier for you. So you create the function and put it there, and inside here, well, we have to change the time variable. Okay, so this will change the time variable 1 by 1, and we have to do this every 1 second. Cool. Now what we have to do is display this value on our paragraph. So our paragraph's ID is called text. So to do this, I have to use the document.getElementById, and basically this is for getting the properties or changing them of an element, of any element based on the ID. That's why we set the ID to text previously. So this is how you do the getElementById. So here you have to enter in your ID. So our ID is called text, and we need .inner HTML, and this is to change the value of it. We can set this to time. And basically what this will do is that every 1 second it will update this. So let's test it out. Click on run and click on start. As you can see here, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's updating every second. So this is good, but there are many bugs like this. So say if you just spam the start button, look how fast it is going now. It's not 1 second, it's just going like super fast. To fix these kind of things, first of all, let's make sure that the button hides after it is clicked. So to do that, well, we have to use the document.getElementById again. So to do that, we need to use the .style.display. So this is a property of any element that you can use to hide and show it. So we can do our document.getElementById here and put in the ID of a button, which was just button. So like that. And we can set it to none. So this is how you hide an element using JavaScript. So let's go ahead and test it. Click on run and let's click on start. Now as you can see, the button is hidden and we have our number incrementing by 1 every second. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like and share it with as many people as you can so that they also know about this cool program that you can make using JavaScript. If you want more tutorials on this, leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And can we hit 465 subs? If we could, that would be great. And I'll see you in the next video. And goodbye.